Dearly beloved, what a joyous occasion brings us together today. Jared and Lianne have chosen this day, this beautiful day, to enter into the sacred bond of matrimony. And they have chosen all of you, their family and friends, to witness and celebrate with them.
Lianne, I have found in you a partner and a best friend. I think back to the first time we met and when our relationship started and how much we've grown, both as individuals and as a couple.
It's been awesome to watch Jay find someone like Lianne and build a life together and a family with their home and their dog Sadie. I'm wishing you a lifetime of love, laughter, and happiness. And if you ever need marriage advice, you can always text my wife, Lauren. I love you guys. I'm so happy. Cheers.
Jared, every morning I wake up next to you, usually with Sadie between us like a crowbar, and it is the best part of my day. Through the years, you have made me laugh, made me think, and taught me to be kinder to myself. You remind me that life isn't always about being productive, but there is value in just being.
I'd sail every sea to catch your breath. I lose control. Oh, every time I see you.
By the power vested in me by this gathering of family and friends, and by the state of New Hampshire, I now pronounce you husband and wife and Sadie. You may kiss.
Lianne and Jared, you both have become pillars in my life. The representation of friendship, loyalty, hospitality, and love. I am grateful to be part of your lives, and I'm so glad you have found each other. May your lives forever be filled with laughter, joy, and dogs. Here's the future for all that we've got to look forward to, and many blessings to the happy couple. Woo!
This day has been a long time coming, for me anyway. I'm so happy for Jared and Lianne and for all of us to be together to celebrate their wedding. Jared, you are my last minute Jay. A kind and generous man. I love you very much.